Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, the coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.6. So rho is equal to 0.6. The covariance is 4.8. So covariance xy is 4.8. The variance of x is 9. So sigma x squared is equal to 9. Then the standard deviation of y is, so we need to find sigma y. Now we know rho is equal to covariance xy by root over sigma squared into sigma y squared. From here we get sigma y is equal to covariance xy by rho into sigma x. So this is 4.8 by 0.3. Now since sigma x squared is equal to 9, so we get sigma x to be 3 into 3. So the correct option is option A. The next question is, let x be normally distributed with mean 0 and variance sigma 1 squared, and y be normally distributed with mean 0 and variance sigma 2 squared. Let rho be the correlation coefficient between x and y. Then the correlation coefficient of x by sigma 1 plus y by sigma 2 and x by sigma 1 minus y by sigma 2 is. So first let us find the covariance between these. So covariance x by sigma 1 plus y by sigma 2 comma x by sigma 1 minus y by sigma 2. Now this on expansion and simplification gives us variance x by sigma 1 minus variance y by sigma 2 plus covariance y by sigma 2 comma x by sigma 1 minus covariance x by sigma 1 plus y by sigma 2. Now if you are wondering where this variance x by sigma 1 minus variance y by sigma 2 came from, so we know that covariance x of x is equal to variance x. So on taking these two terms together, we get variance x1, and here this y by sigma 2 and minus y by sigma 2. So minus sign comes outside, and this is minus variance y by sigma 2, and this is also x. I just saw this, maybe I wrote it in such a way it was looking y, but it was also x. So covariance xx is equal to variance x, and using these we get these terms, and this we get y by sigma 2 x by sigma 1 by this, and x by sigma 1 plus y by sigma 2 using this. So now sigma 1 squared is constant, this comes out, so we get 1 by sigma 1 squared, and variance x is sigma 1 squared minus again 1 by sigma 2 squared, and variance y is sigma 2 squared plus rho minus rho. By simply doing these, like what you'll do is you take the sigma 2 and sigma 1 outside, and covariance xy is rho into sigma 1 sigma 2. Similarly you'll get for these. So we get 1 minus 1 plus rho minus rho, that is equal to 0. Now since covariance is equal to 0, so correlation will also be 0. Option D is the correct answer.